Hey everybody, it's the Boss Lady here, coming to you today with an unboxing of a package that I received. I ordered some products. I jumped on the Grove collaboration bandwagon. Wanted to see what it was about, wanted to try it out. So I'm not sure how long I will stay with them, I will tell you that. But I'm excited to see exactly what I got. Now, I will tell you, these products that I ordered, I've never used them before. I have my own like products that I like to use when I'm cleaning my home or doing different things. And so I have been watching a few videos, as well as I've seen some things on Instagram and other places. And so I said, well, you know, let me try it out. Let me check it out and see. But like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna, continue going forward. But, we can try something once, right? So, I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm getting ready to do a bunch of decluttering and cleaning and things. And so, a lot of times I like to stock up on all my products and make sure I have everything that I need. And, so I figured, let me try this out and see what happens. So, one thing I did like, I was able to go online, order everything that I wanted. I was able to get some free gifts. I don't remember what's what, so I will have to look at everything as I'm doing this video. Everything came shipped to me via FedEx. Did have a little hiccup with FedEx though. They left my package like not just outside, but not even on my stairs. So I was a little bummed about that. But anyway, so inside, as I'm opening it up, I have a little postcard in here from the founder and chief collaborator. So I'll read through that. It talks about, natural products delivered to your door on my schedule, VIP service, blah, blah, blah. Then I have my packing slip here. And I got a bunch of things in here. So let's see what's in the box. Bunch of packing items. And I don't remember, it doesn't tell me what was free. So I don't remember what was free, what wasn't. I may have to go back through my order list to tell you what was what. But I'll just show you what's inside. So the first product that I'm pulling out is hand sanitizer spray. And it's in the scent Blood Orange with moisturizing coconut oil. So it looks like that. Let's open it and smell it, shall we? Let's see. I don't like the scent, but I'll use it. I'll try it. I can't promise I'll use it. So that was the first thing. Okay, the second thing, I got microfiber all-purpose cloth. It's in the color slate gray, and it's a 2-pack. Now, sometimes I use, microfiber cloths, and sometimes I don't. I use them a lot for, like, dusting and things. But then I also buy these for Boss Man for his cars when he's washing cars and things. So, I don't know. I may use these for me and maybe order him another set. It all depends on how I feel. So, got that. Let's see here. This is the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. And is it one? Oh, it's 2. So it's a 2-pack. Looks like this. And I was in the market of getting some new sponges and things. I have just a few left over from what I bought a while ago. And so got those. Then I think this might be part of the free item. I don't remember. This is a bamboo prep board. So it looks like that. And this actually, I may be giving this away because I already have bamboo cutting boards. So I may not need to keep that. So we might be doing that in a giveaway. I don't know. All right, next bottle. This is Method 4 times concentrated laundry detergent. Clear, free and clear. Gentle on sensitive skin, free of dyes and fragrances. And it's for 10 loads. So it looks like that. So just so you know, let me back it up a little bit. With the Grove collaboration, they don't just sell certain items. They have different ones. I know a lot of people get the Myers, what's it called? The Mrs. Myers. But I want to try a variety of different things because, you know, I want to see what I like. So, I know I've seen Method before at, I believe it was Target. So, I got it just to try. We'll see. Here's something else that is Method. This is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet. So, antibacterial toilet cleaner. So, I want to try this. This is in the scent Spearmint. So, it looks like that. So, we'll see what that's looking like here. I just bought toilet cleaner, but anyway. Okay, what's this one? Here's another Method. This is the bathroom cleaner. This is also in the scent Spearmint. So you can tell I'm getting ready to do a whole bunch of bathroom cleaning. And I've actually had this box for probably about 4 days. Alright. So what you guys probably been waiting to see is some Mrs. Myers stuff. This is the Mrs. Myers Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Removes dirt, freshens surfaces. This is the rosemary scent. So I definitely want to open this and smell it. So I will in just a second. So I can let you at least know what I think of the smells. 2 more items, guys. This is the Mrs. Myers Clean Day Hand Soap made with olive oil and aloe vera. And this is the scent Lemon Verbena. Looks like that. So I'm thinking I might be putting this in the kitchen. I can't remember which room that's supposed to go in. And then the last item, so we can get ready to start smelling this stuff. This is the Mrs. Myers dish soap. Cuts, grease, biodegradable. And this is in the honeysuckle scent. So I know there's a lot of people who have their own, you know, scents that they like and everything. But because I haven't never used these items before, I said, well, let me, you know, just get a variety of scents. We already know I don't like that blood orange. Okay, so let's try this. Let me see. Honeysuckle. Doesn't smell bad. We'll see how it works on my dishes. So, we got that. That's a good smell. Let's see. The hand soap. I like how they tape all the containers to keep it from opening or spilling and things. So I think that's pretty cool. That's one thing I do like. Because sometimes when you go to the, not grocery store, but like Target, Walmart, you get things and they may knock the little spouter loose. And, you know, you get home, you got soap everywhere. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't. This is the Lemon Verbena. Yeah, we're going to use that real quick. I don't like that smell. That smell is woo. So I do know I like the honeysuckle. So that would be a definite repurchase. Have to get that in the hand soap. So this is rosemary in the cleaner. Multi-purpose everyday cleaner. Yeah, I don't like this either. Don't like the rosemary smell. So we are only out of the 4 that I smelled so far. So these 3 here plus the sanitizer, I only like 1 of those scents. So let's try the bathroom stuff. This is in Spearmint. Now Spearmint shouldn't be bad, right? It really shouldn't. It shouldn't be bad at all. Let's hope. Boss man said, we'll use that when we really got to do some severe cleaning that we don't care about. You can, it's got like a soft hint of spearmint. It's not strong, which is probably a good thing. I like the fact that they're in the blue because I can use this in my blue bathroom. So I don't think I'm going to try to smell this one. I don't want nothing to spill out on me. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, the spearmint, the method scents are very, very light. So that's kind of a good thing. But I did want to try that Mrs. Meyer's, and well, you know, I do like the honeysuckle, and this is the dish soap, so I will definitely be using this. I'll probably use it sparingly because I just bought some. What did I buy? Palmolive or Dawn? One or the other. But anyway, this is a nice little, you know, package to get. Like I said, this here will possibly go into a giveaway that I'm going to be doing in about another month or so. Once it gets a little closer to spring, I'll be doing a giveaway. So I'm actually building a box now. So stay tuned for that, guys. Anyway, you know, and this doesn't have any scent. This one here, yeah, it says free from dyes or fragrances. So this is the laundry soap. We have been having some sensitive skin issues. And so, you know, I wanted to get something for sensitive skin just to see how that would work. So I'll use this as well. Put this in the laundry room. But that's all I got, guys, from my Grove Collaborative order. So I may order again. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to get. What I would like to do is still order different scents. So now that I know the scents that I don't like, I will definitely make sure not to order them going forward. Because I do want to get, you know, I want to keep trying different scents until I can just find one that I like. This one, definitely the honeysuckle, I do like. And then we'll just have to see about the other ones. But these others. So I want to see how they clean and how, you know, if my hands are soft when I wash my hands. We'll see. So, that's all I got in this video, guys. So I thank you for watching. I thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, I am the Boss Lady, also known as Sharon, and I'm your hostess with the mostest. Thanks for hanging out in the Boss Land, and we'll see everybody in a new video. Bye-bye.